I had a great idea. I brought some poppy lollies that are cocktail lollies with cocktail jelly in it. Real alcohol, guys. There are 3 different tastes: pina colada, tequila sunrise, and caipirinha. Come on and taste it! It was a great Poppy Lobby party, but now I really need a break. I guess now you can understand why we exactly chose this product. We can identify with this product because it's so new, so innovative, and we belong to the target group. With production costs of only 62 cents per lolly, we expect a profit per month of at least 300 euros. That means a net income of 2,000 euros at the end of the project. We know it's a challenge because it's so new and so innovative, but to the question if we want to continue this project, there's only one answer: yes, we will.